A face-to-face conversation in English feels manageable, but the moment the phone rings, panic sets in immediately. Even for the exact same conversation, you'd have handled fine in person. If phone calls terrify you more than talking face-to-face, it's not really about your English. It's about what you've suddenly lost. Here's what's actually happening. In a face-to-face conversation, your brain uses far more than just words. Facial expressions, hand gestures, lip movements, and body language all quietly help you understand what's being said, even when you miss a word or two. On a phone call, all of that disappears instantly. You're left with sound alone, and your brain, used to leaning on all those extra clues, suddenly feels like it's operating blindfolded. This is the before state. Straining to understand through sound alone, with none of the visual support your brain has quietly relied on this whole time. The words haven't gotten harder. You've just lost every tool except your ears. Here's how to train for audio-only English specifically, not just general listening. Step 1. Practice with audio-only content on purpose. Podcasts, voice notes, and radio train your ear to extract meaning without visual support, building the exact skill phone calls demand. Step 2. Use verbal confirmation phrases more often on calls. Saying, "just to confirm, you mean," replaces the visual nodding and clarifying you'd normally do face-to-face, since the other person can't see your expression anymore. Step 3. Accept that phone calls are genuinely harder and rehearse common ones. Practicing typical call openings, introducing yourself, confirming details, before you need them removes a layer of pressure from an already harder format. This is the after, the same phone call, the same missing visual cues. But now your ear carries the weight your eyes used to share. That's the real skill being trained here. Try this today. Listen to one voice note or podcast clip with your eyes closed, focused only on the sound. Do phone calls or video calls make you more nervous? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.